is. Oh yeah, so what's it? Just a quick question. Do you want me to start making mountain bike videos or pit bike videos? Because obviously I ride both, but you know, I want to know what's more exciting. So, little bike update. This is my Stomp Juice Box 110. It's got all it's literally got on it is just exhaust, filter, new plastics and stickers, these Pro Taper XR50s. Oh yeah, and I got the spoke wraps, but don't really do much, does it? Let's do a little quick start up. I'm just going to let the pit bike warm up, and then I'm going to do like a little wheelie or something in my garden. So I'm just going to go dash my helmet on quick, and I'm going to do like a couple of wheelies at the front, show you my mountain bike. Doing this in the sliders. Yeah. So that's a Giant Trance 2 with a hoops, back wheel. It's got nuke proof bars and stem, death grips, this WTB seat, DMR pedals, everything else is stock, but yeah. I'll do a little like hub sound video, well, like clip, you know what I mean. Alright, so now let's go take the pitter up the road. That's it for this video. Yeah, just let me know if you want me to make like mountain bike stuff, pit bike stuff, whatever. Just let me know in the comments, and I should have some more videos coming soon.